Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, we will create Azure Databricks. But before that, we'll just understand what is Databricks. Databricks, you can understand it as a big processing machine, big data processing machine, where the Azure offers. Azure Databricks is a unified open analytics platform for building, deploying, sharing, and maintaining analytics and AI solutions at scale. So basically, Databricks is used for processing large data, apply some complex tasks on that large data, transform that data into from some form to another form. Uh, that's what happens in Azure Databricks. And you can just go through this article to understand it better. And ETL and data engineering, which stands for extract, transform, and load. That's what we're going to demo in this video series. So to create Azure Databricks, you can go to your resource group and then create, search for Azure Databricks. Click on Azure Databricks, create, choose the resource group where you want to place it, give some name. I'll give ADP Databricks. ADP Databricks, region Central India, and pricing tier. I'll choose the standard. Networking, deploy Azure Databricks workspace with secure cluster connectivity. No is fine. Deploy Azure Databricks workspace in your own virtual networks. No, that is also fine. Encryption, security compliance, just keep the defaults. Review plus create. Go through all of these and then click on create. It's getting created now. So it got created. Go to source. So this is how it looks like. And how can we use this Azure Databricks? You have a button here called Launch Workspace. Click on that. After launching, you will land into this page. Now, as we were discussing, Azure Databricks is a large data processing engine, but it won't work unless you have some compute or cluster created. For that, you have to go to Compute tab. You will land into this page, and you have to create a cluster where you will have a number of virtual machines, uh, and those virtual machines process your data. Okay, now you can change the name, or you can give a name to this cluster. I'll give ADP cluster. Choose multi-node if you want to if you want multiple nodes for processing the data. Otherwise, you can choose this one, single node. User access mode, you can choose any of the options. If you have a team and all of them needs to access this cluster and do data processing, or do whatever they want to do, then of course you can go ahead with this one. I'm the only user in this cluster now. As this is just a demo, I'll keep it default. And Databricks runtime version. There are many options here. Uh, you can choose any of these options according to your requirement. I'll just go ahead with the default one, that is 15.4 LTS. And here, worker type, machine, you can select here. I'll go ahead with general purpose one and minimum one, because I don't have much processing to do. Minimum workers one, max workers also I'll put one. You can choose according to your requirement. Driver type, you can choose whichever you want. I'll just go ahead with same as worker. Okay, and enable auto scaling. If you want, you can go ahead with this option. Otherwise, not. And whenever your cluster is not running any of the jobs, then you can just terminate this cluster. Otherwise, it will add up the cost. So terminate after 120 minutes of inactivity. That's the default one. You can of course change it to according to your requirements. And then there is nothing much here in the advanced options. Click on create compute. So it's getting created now. And when you see this green button, you should understand that the cluster is up and running now.